Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Rani's Pakshala and more. Today I'm going to make 3 types of dishes with pumpkin. This pumpkin is from my kitchen garden. I'm going to remove skin. Then I will cut it the small pieces. I already washed the pumpkin because before cutting you have to wash your vegetable, otherwise vitamins can gone. That's why I'm always wash vegetable before cutting. Some vegetables you can't wash before. This is the exceptional. It's done. I will cut now potatoes because one of my dish I need the vegetarian one. I need potatoes like this. I will cut the potatoes. I'm done with cutting. Here is for vegetarian potato here, and here is for non-vegetarian. Now I am showing you what I need for making a dish with sweet pumpkins and potato. I need hing, mustard oil, I need salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, ginger paste, green chili paste, whole lonka, panch furon, and little bit of sugar and chole. I soak it overnight. Heat mustard oil in a pan. When raw smell gone from the oil, add little bit of hing, add dried red chili, bay leaves, panch furon. Add first potato, little bit of salt, fry sometimes, then add pumpkin because potato is harder than pumpkin. Now I am adding pumpkin. Stir regularly. Cover for some times. Now in a bowl I will make a paste of masalas, haldi, coriander powder, ginger paste and green chili paste. If you like, you can use also red chili powder. Now add masala paste and salt to taste. Check this. Mix it well. Little bit of water in masala bowl and put it in the pan. Cook with lid on for some times. It's almost done. Potato and pumpkins are boiled. It's done. If you like, put little bit of sugar. The dish called in Bengali Kumror Chokka. Now I am going to make 2 types of fish dishes with sweet pumpkins. That's why I need the head of rohu fish and tiny shrimp. I need little bit of wheat flour, salt, green chili paste, panch furon, whole lonka, little bit of sugar, turmeric powder, coriander powder, bay leaves, mustard oil. Heat oil in a pan. Put salt and haldi and mix it and fry. Put shrimps on pan, add little bit of salt, turmeric powder. Don't fry them much, otherwise shrimp will rubbery. Shrimp is done, I will take it out. Tofu fish head also done, I will take it out. Here is still oil, I will give little bit more extra. Put little bit of more oil in pan. This dish I will make the same way, only the fish is different. Dry red chili, bay leaves and pachforan. Now I will put cut pumpkins. Add little bit salt. Mix it well. Cover and cook for some time. Take out the cover. Now add the masalas. Haldi powder, coriander powder, green chili paste. If you don't like the green chili paste, then give the red chili powder. Remaining salt to taste. Little bit of sugar, optional. And add little bit of water. Mix it well. Cover and cook for few minutes. Take out the lid. Add the fried shrimp. Mix well and cook with the lid on until the pumpkins are done. I think almost done. If pumpkin is done, then it's done. Yeah. You can do like this with your spoon. We add the little bit of wheat flour on top. Mix it well again. Then is done. Tempering first the same way what I did for other. Red chili, bay leaves and pachforan. Pumpkin. Add little bit of salt. Mix well. Cook with the lid on for some time. Add spices, turmeric, coriander powder, green chili paste, remaining salt to taste, little bit of sugar. If you don't like sugar, then skip it. Add little bit of water and cook for some time with the lid on. Take out the lid and add the fried head of rohu fish. Mix it well and break the head, then the flavor will spread the all of pumpkins. This is a very known Bengali dish, machir muro diye mishti kumror ghonto. Add little bit of water and cook for more sometimes. This dish has very less spices and you can get the flavor of pumpkin and fish. Little bit of wheat flour on top for good binding. Mix it well, then it's done.